Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to move money from Apple Wallet to Cash App. First, it is important to know that Apple Pay and Cash App are two separate platforms. Right now, you can't send money directly from Apple Wallet to Cash App. If you check both apps, you'll notice there's no option to link them or transfer funds between them. But here's the workaround. Transfer your Apple Wallet balance to your linked bank account first. Once the money is in your bank account, simply add that same bank to Cash App. From there, you can move your funds into Cash App and use them as you normally would. And that's it. That's how to transfer money from Apple Wallet to Cash App using a simple bank transfer workaround. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.